What if we could create a machine not just capable of learning and understanding, but one that could also generate new, creative content all on its own? This is the intriguing promise of generative artificial intelligence. To understand the unique potential of generative AI, it helps to contrast it with traditional AI. Traditional AI, as we know it, is largely reactive, taking an input and providing a learned response. It's like a well-trained dog, responding to commands with practiced precision. It can analyze data, recognize patterns, and even make predictions based on past trends. But it's limited. It can't create anything new. It can't surprise us. Generative AI, on the other hand, is like a budding artist, capable of creating new content, be it a piece of music, a poem, or a painting. It doesn't just react to inputs, it generates outputs based on its learning. It takes in vast amounts of information, learns from it, and uses this knowledge to create something entirely new and original. Consider a generative AI trained on classical music. It wouldn't just be able to identify a piece by Mozart or predict the next note in a Beethoven symphony. It could compose a brand new symphony in the style of the great masters, but entirely its own creation. This ability to generate new content is what sets generative AI apart from traditional AI. But it's more than just a novelty. It has the potential to revolutionize many fields. In design, for instance, generative AI could create new and unique designs, expanding the possibilities for creativity and innovation. In science, it could formulate new hypotheses or design experiments, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. But what does the future hold for generative AI? Well, it's hard to say with certainty. But one thing is clear, the potential is vast. Generative AI could lead to a new era of creativity and innovation, where machines not only learn from us, but also inspire us with their creations. In summary, generative AI is a new form of artificial intelligence that is capable of creating new, original content. It stands apart from traditional AI in its capacity to generate rather than just react. Its potential applications are vast, from design to science, and its future promises to be exciting and transformative. So, next time you hear a beautiful symphony or see a stunning design, ask yourself, was this the creation of a human or the output of a generative AI? The lines between human and artificial creativity are blurring, and we are just at the beginning of this exciting journey. Remember, a world filled with artificial intelligence doesn't have to be a world devoid of creativity. With generative AI, it could be a world where creativity and innovation are not just preserved, but amplified. So embrace the future, for it promises to be a fascinating fusion of human and artificial imagination.